Mark and Darla from Remax. We're here today at our newest listing in Burlington at 1414 Allangrove Drive.
This is a 3-bedroom bungalow, fully renovated with a complete in-law suite in the lower level.
Side entrance right over there.
Thank you for visiting us today at our latest listing at 1414 Allangrove Drive in Burlington.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this home, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home in Burlington, please call Darla at
289-888-1987 or call Mark
905-512-1846.